Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a crispy, golden and absolutely irresistible snack, perfect for tea time or as a party favorite. In a bowl, add 110 ml warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Yeast dough makes the roll soft on the inside and crispy outside. Now add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well and make a soft dough. Bread chicken rolls are popular street food across South and the Middle East. Rub some oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. For the filling, heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add 3 tablespoon onion, 1 teaspoon green chilli. Saute for a minute. And 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander, half teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon garam masala. Mix with 2 tablespoon water. Now add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Cook for 2 minutes and set aside. Always let the dough rest well to get a fluffy outer layer. Take some dough, roll it out. Place the chicken filling. Fold as shown and seal the edges. Seal the edges properly so the filling doesn't leak during frying. Beat 2 eggs. Now dip each roll into beaten eggs. Coat with breadcrumbs and fry in medium heated oil. The breadcrumb coating gives the restaurant style crunch. You can prepare and freeze them for quick snacks anytime. Fry on medium-low heat for even cooking and crispiness. Chicken is a rich source of lean protein. Onions and spices improve digestion and flavor. Fry on low heat until golden brown. Homemade rolls are healthier than store-bought frozen ones. You can bake instead of frying for a lighter version. And that's it, crispy outside, soft inside, and packed with spicy chicken filling. These bread chicken rolls are the perfect comfort snack for any occasion. Would you like me to make a baked version of this recipe next? Which dip would you pair with these crispy rolls? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious snack recipes.